Hello everyone. Within the farming and agricultural sector, a new method of growing crops called vertical farming is gaining popularity. Vertical farming is a method of growing food indoors using modern technology that does not require soil or large masses of land or large quantities of water. Since all of the farming happens indoors in a multi layered, vertically stacked fashion, it is called vertical farming. If you are someone who always taken an interest in how the food you eat is actually grown or have a keen interest in farming and agriculture, you can consider setting up and running your own vertical farm. Urbanization and the desire to eat vegetables that are grown in a healthy, pesticide free environment are the two reasons that have majorly contributed to vertical farming's popularity. Vertical farming uses modern technology such as hydroponics, aeroponics, and aquaponics to grow greens and vegetables indoors. Hydroponics, for example, is a technique in which plant roots are immersed in water that is infused with mineral rich nutrients. These plants are then monitored to ensure that the right chemical composition is maintained. Hydroponics does not use any soil, artificial chemicals, or pesticides. The plants therefore grow at a faster pace. This in turn leads to faster harvest and higher crop yields. Vertical farms can be harvested all year round since they do not depend on any particular season. Most of the vertical farms are set up into metro cities. This reduces transportation cost and ensure the availability of fresh produce. In order to set up a vertical farm, all you need is about 1000 square feet of indoor or terrace space. You also need to spend a lot of time researching and educating yourself about the different aspects of vertical farming. There are a lot of workshops and courses available on the subject. You can start with a small patch and then gradually expand as you begin to learn more. Happy farming!